Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you where your engine computer is located. Engine computer could be known as ECU, ECM or DME guys. All this stands for engine computer, even PCM I think. Now, we'll show you in today's video where it's located, how to get to it guys. We have a separate video that will explain how to replace it and how to program it, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. In addition, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys, you will find the information helpful. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, we have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. I'll go ahead and open the hood now guys. Okay, support it, and I'm going to show you where you can expect to find that engine computer. Doesn't matter if you have a 1.4, 1.6, 1.8 or the diesel engine, the location should be there on all of them guys. And this is it. This is the 1.8 engine, a little bit dirty here, but it's a low mileage engine by the way. And if you look at the engine, then you have your car battery right here guys. Next to your car battery right here, you have a device. Okay, that device with 3 connectors guys, this is your engine computer. This is the brains, okay, for the engine right here. So you can see how convenient of a location that is. On some cars it's super hard to get to, on this one it's right there. Now practically guys, some of you ask me, can you wash your engine if your engine computer is there? Yes you can, but there is a way to protect your connectors, and we have a video on the channel. Check it out, how to wash car engine, okay, without damaging anything. So check it out guys, it's right there. But pretty much if you need to remove that computer guys, okay, you're going to have on the bottom, okay, 2 nuts and 2 on top, and you'll be able to pull it out. Every time you disconnect the computer, you have to disconnect your car battery. Why? Because you want to avoid guys burning something that way. Okay, if you have the battery connected and you disconnect and reconnect the computer, you can cause damage to your engine computer. So avoid that guys, and disconnect your car battery. We'll have a video on replacement and programming. Check it out. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.